facial chocolate part 1. First step. The first, take 1 spoon of multani mitti and take honey, both mix well and apply on face completely. Let it be applied thereafter for 5 minutes, then wash it off. Second step. Take cactus and take that smooth gel area and put sugar slightly. Add a little rava and altogether a vessel to mix and then slightly take an hand and apply on the face. A circular form of massage should be done first to the left massage and then it's back to the right massage. Should be done gentle massage, then wipe off with wet cloth. Third step. Take 1 cup thick curd and take the chocolate powder 1 spoon. Put the mixture on the face equally, apply and let it stay for 45 minutes. Then use gram dal flour for face wash. Don't use soap or any face wash gel for face wash on same day. Finally, take the ice cube and smoothly apply on face fully. That's it. Thank you. It's worth equally at beauty parlor $13.38 US. An Indian money worth 900 rupees. Rava, multani mitti, gram dal flour can get all over the Indian markets. Thank you.